Contrary to what most people think, trading is not about guessing where the market is going. It's about learning how to move with the market. The market only does three things: it goes up, it goes down, and it goes sideways. That's it. The problem is, so many traders get caught chasing what they think is going to happen instead of what's happening right in front of them. And that's why they end up losing over and over. If you've ever felt like the market is impossible to figure out, or like you're one step behind, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Just because you feel like you're one step behind right now, doesn't mean you have to stay that way. And I'm going to show you how. If you're new to the channel, my name is James Strong. I make videos about trading the futures market, investing in the stock market, and personal finances. We trade to grow our capital. We invest to build wealth and long-term asset appreciation. And none of that's possible without having good personal finances. So make sure you tap into the trading and the finance videos, man, if you want to build wealth. Let's go ahead and jump into this thing like a swimming pool, man. I'm gonna freestyle this. I don't have this marked up, but we're gonna use Russell because I don't really use Russell. And I want to show y'all how simple it is to really master market direction and just spotting trends. The technicals are easy, and I always tell people, man, like the reason I cover psychology so much and the mindset of trading is because everybody wants to talk about the technicals. Technicals are important. Do not get me wrong, right? We need to know how to do it. But technicals are easy to grasp. I can teach anybody technicals who has a work ethic in 1 to 6 months. Easy. But the reason people are not making money is they have a mindset problem. So that's why I always give so much value on the mental aspect of things. That's why I have these books in my description so y'all can know how to really go make money. You don't need 13 strategies to make money. You need 1, max 2 good strategies that you're confident in and understand how to capitalize on them, understand how to structure them, understand how to make them mechanical, and you can make money. So, man, but with that being said, man, let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to go over this, man, and I'm going to show y'all the simple way to look at market structure and market direction. All right, let me pick a random day. I always use it. This is a good spot right here. I'm on a 15 minutes. So first and foremost, the market only moves in 3 ways. The market moves in an uptrend and a downtrend. Let me go ahead and just draw this stuff too. So the market moves literally like this, right? Let me drag this down. Only 3 ways it can move. The market can move up, boom. The market can move down. Or the market would be doing like basically like this. Now, some people might want to try to draw it like this. You won't ever see this perfect type of consolidation. But essentially, this is how it looks. It's not really going up or down. It's consolidating. And then this is basically forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And then this one is just, I mean, it keeps breaking structure. So we're in a consolidating range. That's pretty much all the market can do. 1, 2, or 3. So when we come up here, I'll just start with this. 1, this is what consolidation looks like in real life. So let me go down to the 5-minute. We're on December 11th. So when you're in it, and it's important to notice because you can make sure you don't get into a lot of fake outs. Anytime I see a lot of consolidation, I know it's building up liquidity to make a giant move. I had called this on my Instagram story like 2 weeks ago. There was a day, about 2 weeks ago now, maybe 10 days, maybe it ain't been 2 weeks yet. I think it was like last week. But basically, there's a day of strong liquidity, and I was like, hey, I'm waiting for this push before I even try to enter. I'm sitting out. I had one of my boys hit me up. He said he took 2 L's, so he was done. I was like, bro, I'm telling you, just wait a little bit, like it's gonna drop. And I hit him back like 11:30, like, you see that move? And it had dropped down like 180 points or whatever. And it's just the same thing, man. The market moves in patterns. It's not guaranteed, but it's simple, right? So the first one, consolidation. Consolidation looks like this. You can use certain things to help you. Like a lot of people, they want to use EMAs. Understand that Indicators are just a tool, right? It's not a religion. You can build a strategy around them. Truly, I don't use these. I got one that they look cool. You know what I'm saying? Just being honest with you. I used to use them when I first started. I tried to, but I trade like, let's see. This is basically how I trade, like naked. You know what I'm saying? Like, but I don't like that. So I always have my session indicators because I only have a certain time I want to look at the market. But you don't need these, but you can use that up front to help you identify certain things. So when it comes to EMAs, like this black line is a 10 EMA. You can look at this and be like, all right, if price is kind of ranging through it, and it depends, like again, exponential moving average changes, right? That's what EMA is, exponential moving average. It changes when you change the time frame. So understand that too. But when price is kind of going through, like, or the EMA is going through price, you're kind of in a range, right? You don't really want to be trading it if you're looking for more breakout. Whereas if you look left, when you see when price is ready to go, it's not going to be in between, right? Like when it's moving, it's on the outside or it's up below price. Price is here, the EMA is here. So understand that. Now, this is what consolidation looks like. Pretty sideways, guaranteed to the right there's a move. I haven't lit the yet. Boom, you can see. So all I was doing was building up liquidity. I'm assuming that's news, 7:30. 7:30, yes, that's news. 7:30 my time on Central Standard Time, so it's 8:30 for New York time. So yeah, all I was doing the whole time was building up liquidity to make this big ass push, and then it come back down. This is standard. This is textbook. I put in 10,000 plus hours on the screen. You will see this stuff like clockwork eventually. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Now let's find an uptrend or a downtrend that's good to show you guys. Let me zoom out a little bit and see. I want to try to find a clean one. It's a clean one. Let's use this one real quick. So I'll go to the 5 minutes, make it a little bit better. So right here we have a nice breaker structure. So it broke this structure, closed above, pulled back, went up, pulled back, went up. So to kind of back it up, and I'll probably do like one more example, and then I go do a downtrend. When it broke this structure, this signified a change of direction. There's also an internal breaker structure in this, also known as like an I bus, right? In between this. So I'm not going through all that stuff, but overall, right, you can see, hey, this was like the point, right? So let's look left a little bit. Lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low. And it's what I tell you a while ago, it's kind of like this. Boom, 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 boom. It's pretty much doing this the whole time. So it's going down, up, down, up, down, up, over and over. Then it failed to break this low right here. So it didn't break this one. And instead it broke the high. So now it's going up. All right. So now it came up, did not come back below. So now it's signifying a change in direction. So what was a downtrend is now showing the start of an uptrend. This is what literally this is right here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. That is literally this. So this is when you can start looking to get in for buys, look for your confirmations, look for opportunities to get into the market, and it just continue. Lower, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. A little bunch of choppy stuff here. So they're not always, again, this is why too, everything looks perfect when you draw it, but this is not how it looks in real time. In real time, it looks like these. Looks like these. You have to be able to identify these. Let me find another nice, easy downtrend or uptrend real quick. That's a clean one too. This is a simple one. So the breaker structure was right here. Boom, breaker structure. You can also see it came back and retested. So this right here was a combination of a breaker structure and what was resistance turned to support. So this was a little bit of resistance, broke through, turned to support. That wick tapped it. Price came and retested the area and went right back up. So broke down, broke above, pulled back, and there's also, remember, we're on a 5 minute. So there's also, depending on the time frame, there's different, and I'm going to keep this very simple. I'm not going into in depth, but there's levels to it, right? So it can be an internal breaker structure. It can be a breaker structure. Like, is it a major? Is it a minor structure break? These are things when you start going to higher time frame analysis, you can start going into these. But to keep it simple, if you can just see the change of direction, that's all you need, man. This is simple. You make money by keeping trading simple. That's the reason too most people don't make money, because they want to overcomplicate this, man. Keep it simple, make you money. Trading does not have to be complicated. I don't use all these fancy big words all for a reason, because you don't need to know them. And up front, that's one of the things that help me. I know what gets results in everything I do. Martial arts, starting several businesses, all type of things. Learn how people fail. Study that stuff, obsess over it. Learn a few things, how people win. Learn the base what you need, you're good. You know what I'm saying? For the longest time, I didn't even know what certain stuff was. I didn't know the name of chart patterns, candle patterns. I didn't know none of that stuff, but I was making money. And so it's like I said at the beginning, man, you don't need to know all these RSI indicators, MACD, VWAP, Morningstar, Shooting Star. You don't need to know all that crap, man. All you need to know is a basis to make some money. And you can learn that other stuff on your own time if you want to. But by that time, when you're already making money, you probably won't even care to, be honest with you. Just being real. Now, that was 2 uptrends. Let's find 2 downtrends. So here's one right here. So you can see price change direction, broke above, started this slow and steady, long uptrend through New York session. And then towards the end of New York session, London session. Towards the end of London, it started reversing. So boom. We had a change of character and a breaker structure right here. Change of characters up here. Breaker structure. Came back. What did I just say a while ago? Actually, let me draw this on a wick and then it'll be better. So boom. Boom. Now what did I just say on this last one? So let me go. I still got it marked up. I don't, but I will. This is how this stuff works, right? You see this wick right here on this uptrend. It literally came back and tested it as support. Well, on this downtrend, when it broke, it came and tested this area, broke below, closed below it, came back and tested it as resistance. You will see this stuff all the time when you put time in, man. Matter of fact, make sure y'all go to my description, right? Go to my description right now. If I don't have my program out right now, join my wait list. Get on it, man, because this is how simple I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna keep it with y'all, man. Like, this stuff is not hard, dude. It, like, people want to complicate it and make it hard as hell, and it's not hard, bro. It's really not hard to make money. You know what I mean? So takes time. You got to master yourself. But go to my description. Make sure you sign up for that. Join my VIP investor list, man. Just tap in with me. We keeping this stuff simple out here, man. You don't need to be the brightest guy. You need to be the simplest guy to make your money. So this broke structure came up, tested it, resistance, and then it started sinking. Plug my computer in because I think she trying to die on me. We good, y'all. I ain't want the video to cut off, you know what I'm saying? So we in the middle of having a good old lesson right here. So boom. And then you see it just continued down, man. Broke structure, up, down, up. This was news. Oh, no, New York Stock Exchange open. Came up, got back to the original entries, and then same thing all day, dude. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Long downtrend the whole New York session. Whole New York session. So this stuff, man, like, it's like that all the time. These are common patterns you can find, common trends, and just keep it simple. Like I said, you know, when there's consolidation, I personally don't like to trade consolidation. If I do, I'm getting a quick move and getting out. I'm not holding it, especially if we're on a lower time frame. Now, if we're consolidating on like 15 minute, yeah, I'm gonna give me a little quick scalp. You know, get in. I might hold it for 35, 45 minutes to get out. Um, but keep it simple, man. Trading, I'm telling you, you make money by keeping it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. It's not hard. Like I said, man, you know, make sure y'all go on my description. I'm updating this stuff constantly. I got a lot of changes coming. A lot of new things coming. I should have the wait list out by the time this video comes. So make sure you sign up for that. You know, if you're interested in working with me, just learning more of these things. But it's so simple. It's so simple to make money. So as always, man, if you like making money, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you don't like making money, don't subscribe, man. It's that simple. Keep getting this money, keep doing your thing, keep tapping into the real things that what people are not tapping into. And I'm gonna see y'all next video, man. Till next time. Much love.